what you're looking at right now is the Dyson V15 Absolute, and you're not going to believe this, but what actually happened was our V15 died. It was less than a year old, and I'll tell you what broke very quickly. First, the dustbin broke, and I was able to contact Dyson. They sent a replacement. Then, sorry, turn that on. Then this wheel broke off, and I ended up contacting Dyson because I was pretty upset that the vacuum was less than a year old, and we've already had all these problems. I ended up epoxying the wheel back on. I fixed it, and then I go to take this off the charger and use it. It's completely dead. The battery no longer would power. It no longer would charge. It was giving me like a faint blue light at first, then nothing. So it took me a while talking to Dyson, and I got upset because all the spare parts, it seems like they're never in stock. So, which tells me one of two things. Either they don't care about people buying parts because they want you to buy a new one, or maybe these vacuums are dying at a rate that is a lot higher than they used to be. My last Dyson I had for almost 10 years. It was a V8. So I was thrilled to get the V15, the Detect. I thought it was really cool tech. I thought it would be pretty cool if I told you the differences between the V15 and the V15 Absolute. It's like a trim level in a car, right? The V15 Absolute has a better HEPA filter. The battery's exactly the same. And it also has the same exact vacuum. The only difference is the HEPA filter and this right here, which is really, really cool. But I'm afraid that this is going to actually break sooner than later. As you can see, it has the wand built right into it, and they do put a little lube on there, and you are able to, open that and close it if need be. And it looks hard to understand, but literally you just take it like this and you plug it back in. It's really, really interesting to use, but the only differences between the V15 Absolute and the V15 is the better HEPA filter and the wand with the dust wand that pops out. Really not that much of a difference. So if you're in the market for a Dyson, you should know there's really not much difference. When it comes to the V15 Absolute and the V15, it's only the HEPA filter and this little magic wand here, and that's about it, guys. And maybe the color. Everything else is the same. So save yourself some money or upgrade and get the Absolute from Dyson. I still do want to get my dad.